Hello viewers, let's continue the second part of medical terms in pharmacology. Before watching my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Analgesic. It is a painkiller, a drug that relieves pain. It is used for relieve mild and moderate pain from conditions such as muscle aches, toothaches, common cold and headaches. It reduces the pain. It has two types, that is anti-inflammatory drugs and opioid drugs. Anti-inflammatory drugs which alleviate pain by reducing local inflammatory response, and opioid analgesics, they can induce sleep. Opioid or narcotic drugs. Opioid are a class of drugs used to reduce pain and also for anesthesia. It acts as a painkiller and also anesthesia to lose some temporary sensation from the body. Disease. A disease is a particular abnormal condition that negatively affects the structure or function of all or part of an organism. It is an illness or sickness with specific well-defined symptoms that affects a person, plant or animal. It caused by pathogenic microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, parasites or fungi. The disease can be spread indirectly or directly from one person to another person, and also zoonotic disease or infectious disease of animals that can cause disease when transmitted to humans. The main signs of an infection, that is such as fever, chills, sweats, cough, sore throat, shortness of breath, stiff neck, burning or pain with urination. Disorder. A disorder is a functional abnormality or disturbances. Categories are mental disorders, physical disorders, genetic disorders, emotional and behavioral and functional disorders. The mainly disorder is functional abnormality, that is nothing but either increase or decrease the chemical reaction in our bodies. Set of problems that results in causing significant difficulty, distress or suffering in a person's daily life. Mental disorders, your genes and family hereditary. Stress and biological factors such as chemical imbalances in brain. A mother exposes to viruses or toxic chemicals while pregnant. Physical disorders is conditions by abnormal thoughts, feelings and behavior. These all are under the disorders. Anesthesia is a state of controlled temporary loss of sensation. Anesthetic, an agent produces a local or general loss of sensation including pain. They blocks pain in an area of body. A common type is epidural anesthesia, which is often used during childbirth and makes unconsciousness. General anesthesia, to give a deep sleep during surgeries. These are the anesthetics to induce temporary loss. Sedatives, a drug taken for its calming or sleep inducing effect. Sedatives are used to reducing irritability or excitement. Sedatives are to treat anxiety and used from general anesthetics. They can cause people to become dependent on them beyond their control. Antipyretic, a drug which is used to prevent or reduce fever. Antipyretics cause the hypothalamus to override a prostaglandin induced increased temperature. So antipyretic medications is reduce the fever. Hypothalamus is the region of forebrain below the thalamus which coordinates both autonomic nervous system and activity of pituitary glands to control body temperature, thirst, hunger, etc. Pyretics increase the temperatures from hypothalamus. So antipyretics are used to reduce the fever. Antihypertensives, a class of drugs that are used to treat hypertension that is high blood pressure. Antihypertensive therapy seeks to prevent the complications of high blood pressures such as stroke and myocardial infarction. Antihypertensive drugs have their primary action on systemic vascular resistance. They produce vasodilation by interfering with the sympathetic adrenergic vascular tone. So to reduce antihypertensives, naturally drink a lot of water having minerals such as magnesium and calcium to water can further aid in lowering blood pressure. Antiemetics. Antiemetics are a drug taken to prevent or treat nausea and vomiting sensation. These are the drugs act by inhibiting serotonin receptors. They block vomiting center in brain, blocking the receptors in your gut that triggers nausea in brain, acting directly on your stomach by increase the rate at which empty and moves food into your bowel. Anticoagulants, which inhibiting the coagulation of the blood or to prevent the blood clot. Anticoagulants are given to people at a high risk of getting clots to reduce their chances of developing serious conditions such as strokes or heart attacks. A blood clot is a seal created by blood to stop bleeding from wounds. The drugs are heparin, warfarin, or drugs used for anticoagulants. The natural anticoagulants such as turmeric, ginger, and grapeseed extract to prevent the blood clot.